15 best apps similar to Google Calendar. It's important to carefully choose the apps that you installed on your phone. For example, if you know you might want to use Google Calendar on a desktop computer in your home office or anywhere else, it's good to make sure you have one installed so that you don't have to download and configure multiple apps in order to sync schedules with your desktop. But how do you decide which similar calendar app will work best for your needs? It's helpful to have an idea of what some of those other options are, like this list. We can help you choose. All of these common timesheet apps are available for safe, direct and quick download without registration and usage tracking. If you have any questions about selecting the right timekeeping app for you, contact us. What does Google Calendar do? Google Calendar is a desktop and mobile application that helps you keep track of appointments, plan events, and stay organized. You can use it to manage your personal or work schedule, and share it with others. Why use a reminder app to solve this problem? Google Calendar is an amazing tool, but it's not perfect. There are a few features that you may find helpful, but don't have access to if you use Google Calendar as your only reminder app. One of these features is the ability to set up reminders for events that occur on specific days or intervals. If you use a different reminder app to manage your daily tasks, or just need a little more specificity in your reminders, using a reminder app like Reminders can help. Here are 5 reasons why you might want to consider using a reminder app. You want to be able to set specific deadlines for tasks, like sending out invoices by the due date. You need more control over when your tasks get done and don't want email reminders disrupting your workflow. You want to be notified of certain events even if you are not currently using Google Calendar. You have a lot of tasks that need to be completed every day, but don't have time to check Google Calendar every day. Alternatives for everyday use of Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a versatile program that can be used for many purposes, but it may not be the best option for you if you only use it occasionally. There are several alternative programs that can serve as good substitutes for Google Calendar, depending on your needs. Some alternatives to Google Calendar include Outlook, Apple iCloud, and Microsoft Outlook 365. Outlook is a popular choice for email, calendar, and contacts management, and it can be used on a computer or mobile device. iCloud is a service offered by Apple that lets you store your data in iCloud-powered containers so you can access it anywhere. Microsoft Outlook 365 is a subscription version of Microsoft Outlook that includes all of the features of the full version, including backup and synchronization. Apple Calendar useful features and similarities. Google Calendar is one of the most popular time tracking and scheduling tools available on the internet. It allows users to organize their lives and tasks in a simple, easy-to-use interface. However, there are some features of Apple Calendar that are similar and worth checking out. Both Google Calendar and Apple Calendar allow users to view their schedule on a day-by-day basis or as a yearly overview. They both offer an option to add notes and make reservations. Google Calendar also lets users share their schedule with others via email or a social media account. One major difference between Google Calendar and Apple Calendar is that Apple offers more options for organizing tasks. Users can create individual or shared calendars where team members can view and collaborate on tasks together. Additionally, users can create budgets and reports to track their spending habits. Overall, Google Calendar is more comprehensive than Apple Calendar, but both services offer excellent time tracking and scheduling capabilities for busy people. Conclusion: Google Calendar is a great tool for organizing your day-to-day life. However, it can be difficult to find the time to schedule new events. If you're looking for a similar tool that's easier to use, consider using Highrise. Highrise is a calendar that's completely online, so there's no need to download or install anything. You can access your calendar from any computer or mobile device. And it can be very useful when it comes to scheduling things because at the top of your screen is a card that lets you know what you have scheduled for the next hour, also known as a salsa. You don't need Flash with Highrise. And since it's built on WordPress, it supports many great plugins that make scheduling even easier. Source: http://novicemarketerguide.com/2012/02 Highrise is better than Google Calendar.